Aria Protocol, AriaIp, is a pioneering protocol in IP tokenization built on Story Protocol, enabling the liquidity of intellectual property assets such as music and art through the RWA narrative. Despite raising $15.5 million from top-tier funds like Polychain, AriaIp is currently considered a significantly undervalued asset with a market cap of only around $2 million, down 95% from its public sale price. Its key highlight is the real yield model, which distributes actual revenue from royalties. This represents a high-risk, high-reward opportunity for investors seeking entry below even major funds during the 2026 RWA wave. Project overview. Aria belongs to the RWA sector, specifically focusing on IP tokenization combined with AI. It addresses the liquidity problem of the multi-trillion-dollar IP market, which remains locked in complex legal systems. Aria is positioned as a first-mover protocol on Story Protocol, a Layer 1 dedicated to IP, allowing fractional ownership and revenue rights from assets like music to be tokenized and traded. Purpose and technical solutions built on Story Network, Aria leverages programmable licensing. Its core products include Aria Spark, a platform for bringing IP assets on-chain; Aria Prime, an IP index fund designed for institutional investors; AriaIp RWA, tokens representing a share of royalty revenue. Unlike typical NFTs, Aria's tokens generate real cash flow through smart contracts that automatically distribute royalties. Team and backers. The project is co-founded by David Costina, a seasoned legal expert in the music industry, with experience managing rights for major artists. Backers include Polychain Capital, seed lead, and OKX Ventures, reflecting strong early support from institutional capital. Product and development progress. Aria is already live on Story Protocol mainnet and has launched initial liquidity pools for IP assets. The ecosystem has distributed over $323,000 in royalty buybacks to APL token holders. In Q2 2026, the project is expanding into visual art and gaming IP. Tokenomics. Total supply, 1 billion AriaIp. Current price, less than 1.35. Market cap, $1.7 million. $2 million. The token is used for governance, staking to earn fees, and priority access to IP sales. The ecosystem includes two tokens: AriaIp, governance token tied to ecosystem growth; APL, revenue token that receives direct royalty income. APL has already demonstrated real utility with over $323,000 distributed, while AriaIp carries more speculative value. Funding and valuation. Total raised $15.5 million. Public valuation, $60 million 6 token, current ROI 95%. This positions Aria as a distressed asset, often caused by weak liquidity and heavy post-hype sell-offs. Competitive landscape and advantages. Aria has little direct competition in the IP-Fi niche. Its main advantage lies in turning IP into financial Lego. Users can fractionalize, remix, or reuse IP, generating recurring revenue distributed to token holders. As a first mover on Story Protocol, Aria acts as a gateway for liquidity entering the ecosystem. Recent developments. Jan 2026, added to Grayscale's assets under consideration list. Feb 2026, partnerships with K-pop artists and entertainment firms, including tokenization of master rights. Mar 2026, expansion of artist collaborations and global remix releases. On-chain data liquidity remains thin on exchanges like Gate and BitGet, with 24H volume ranging from 400K to 1.5 million. Price volatility is extremely high, sometimes reaching 200% daily swings, indicating potential market manipulation. In-depth evaluation strengths include strong backers, real revenue generation, and a very low valuation offering upside potential. Weaknesses include severe price decline and poor liquidity. Risks involve dependence on Story Protocol and regulatory scrutiny around IP rights. From a smart money perspective, this may represent an accumulation phase after retail investors have exited. Final evaluation and scoring. Total score 7100. Technology 1820. Team 1415. Tokenomics 1020. Adoption 1215. Narrative 8/10. Funding 9/10. Risk 1/10 investment strategy. This is a narrative-driven project suitable for high-risk mid-term strategies, 6 to 12 months. Avoid going all in, allocate only a small portion of capital. The 0 and 3.04 range is considered an attractive entry zone. Profit-taking strategy: secure initial capital at 0.1 cent and hold remaining positions if major catalysts, e.g. top-tier exchange listings, emerge. Conclusion: Aria protocol is a highly speculative opportunity backed by solid technology and strong investors. For those who believe in the future of Story Protocol, it represents a high-leverage beta play with significant upside potential due to its small market cap. Price: April 7, 2026. 044804. Disclaimer: this is an independent analysis based on public data and not financial advice. Conduct your own research.